guys, welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Motorsport. Johnny here. So I just got to my buddy's Andre shop. He's right there. He's done with my car. He adjusted everything. We got new set of tires. The front, the all season tires. We got some good tires on the rear. We have a lot of snow here in Chicago now because we are going there you go, Andre. He is very loud of his Lexus, Toyota, whatever. So we are going through a snowstorm right now. We are going to meet some guys in parking lots to have some fun. So stay tuned. Let's go. My baby car is right here. She's dropped good right now. There was too much space in here. Now she looks good. Another E36, another E36. Right there's another E36. E36 gang, man. Let's go. Looking good? Man, it's freaking cool. So we gotta feed our animals. We are continuing our journey to the parking lot. Well, we're gonna have some drift, hopefully, and without any crashes. But you never know. We got here to the parking lot, man. There's so many cars over here. Very slippery. A lot of people, a lot of cars. It's pretty fun, pretty fun. I'm gonna jump in my car now. My buddy Andre, he wants to go do a tandem right now over there, so I'm gonna go to try to see how it's gonna go.
Buckets on buckets, I'm switching edition, back in my back, on my back again. Oh, feel like a ladder, yeah. I'm on a carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow, they on my body as soon as I walk.
Chicago ass racing right here, man.
Fuck yeah. Hey, what's up?
Well, like I'm in the office, telling to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just no we ain't running out the way. Oh, say less, I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less, I'm back in that. Yeah, what you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? And you should know that we on this forever. You don't know me well, just ask again. And you should know that I'm with all of why you sit down and just watch the film. And you should know that Khan got a bottle of Don, feeling like Julio pass again. Mine some M's going in, back in that back, I'm going in. Just lower the rim, free my soul in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again.
Yeah,
she with me, you know she a 10. She a Barbie, you know I'm a Ken. Rolling some dope, sipping some gin. It's always been us, it never was them. Back in my bag, they know it's a gem. Tell them to watch it, now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it.
Oh, we are done for tonight. Right there are cops. You guys see them there? Everybody is going, so we are going too. Look at them, man. The cops are right there. The guy is still drifting. But no, we don't want to get any tickets, and we're gonna go. We're gonna be on our way. We had a lot of fun. It's the first heavy snow that was here in Chicago. So the cops were cool. They didn't stop anybody. There was a small accident. One rim cracked on a BMW X5. Nothing crazy. Everything went smooth, cool. We had fun. There was like cool cars. There were like, I don't know, like 80 cars probably. A lot of cars, which is very nice that people are still into cars and they're still into drift. It was cool, so I'm gonna head home. I wanna thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like it, dislike it. I'll see you in the next video.